Just a continuation of the 8 o'clock. It's about 5 after 8. The wind has just gotten insane. I'm on my back deck right now. Because the wind is coming from the east. Wow. That had to be 100 plus mile an hour gust. I can't even hear myself. The house is blocking me right now, so I actually don't feel wind at all. I'm in a little corner on my deck, and because the wind is coming from the east, I am totally blocked. But I can stand out here, and I can see the enormous trees in my backyard, which is what this is pointing at right now. Because it's dark, I don't know if you guys can see, but there are lights. In the distance, you can see that's Hackensack. There's a street light right behind my house that's lit, so not everybody has lost power, which I find amazing. The apartment building over there still seems to have some power. I don't know if you guys can hear the clunks and the crashes around me, but this is pretty intense. Wow. Easily over 100 miles an hour, that gust. I will check back later. I'm going inside.